This video is with a patient who underwent an ACL reconstruction and a meniscus repair performing lateral jumps against resistance. He performs 3 jumps and holds the 3rd jump before jumping again. This version has a lateral pull for the inside leg and a medial pull for the outside leg at almost 5% of his body weight. To train the other side, he will turn around. The posterior pull with the lateral jump has him resisting a backward pull with almost 10% of his body weight. He wants to minimize his contact time with the ground when changing direction. The anterior pull with the lateral jump has him resisting a forward pull with almost 10% of his body weight. The goal is to be explosive and under control while jumping and landing. Return to play is criterion-based, not time-based. Do it right the first time.